Today, we'll be exploring the best washing machine dryers that combine efficiency, convenience, and affordability. Whether you're in a small apartment, a dorm, or an RV trip, these top-rated machines offer a range of features to suit your laundry needs. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. First on my list is the TOREAD portable small washing machine priced at $135. This compact and lightweight washer is perfect for dorms, apartments, and camping trips. It features a twin tub design, allowing you to wash and spin clothes at the same time, which saves a lot of time. The total capacity is 13.5 pounds, making it suitable for smaller loads. It's easy to operate. Just fill it with water, set the timer, and start washing. The machine also helps save water with its efficient design. Made from durable plastic, it won't rust easily, ensuring long-term use. Users have praised its convenience and performance, noting that it fits well in small spaces and operates quietly. Some reviews mention the hose could be longer and that there's no lint filter, but overall, it's seen as a great buy. The spinner is particularly appreciated for its effectiveness. If you need a portable and efficient washer, the TOREAD is a fantastic choice. Second, we have the Pyle compact home washer and dryer priced at $169. This machine is ideal for smaller laundry loads and tight spaces with a capacity of 7.7 pounds. It features a high-powered motor and rotary controls for easy operation. The translucent tub allows you to see your clothes as they get clean. This machine is energy and water efficient, making it a practical choice for those looking to save on utility bills. Users have found it very convenient, especially for apartment living. It fits easily into small bathrooms and doesn't require special plumbing. However, some users have experienced minor leaks and recommend using an extension cord due to the short power cord. Despite these minor issues, the Pyle washer and dryer combo offers excellent convenience and reliability. It's perfect for those with limited space who want to handle their laundry at home without the hassle of laundromats. Third on the list is the INTERGREAT portable washer and dryer priced at $159. This machine stands out with its larger 17-pound capacity, making it ideal for bigger loads. It has a semi-automatic operation and a durable glass cover that provides a clear view of the washing process. The powerful motor ensures effective washing and spinning, saving you time. It's designed to be easy to use with separate timers for washing and spinning. Users appreciate its quiet operation and effective cleaning. Some reviews have mentioned leaking issues after extended use, but these are relatively rare. The INTERGREAT washer is especially popular for its larger capacity, making it suitable for small families. It's a cost-effective solution that saves you trips to the laundromat. For those needing a reliable and larger portable washer, this is a great choice. Next, we have the COMFEE washer and dryer combo priced at $975. This all-in-one machine offers a comprehensive set of features, including steam care to reduce wrinkles and odors, and multiple wash and dry modes. It has a 2.7 cubic feet capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. The front load design and full automation make it very user-friendly. It's also energy efficient thanks to its advanced motor. Users have praised its convenience, especially the overnight wash and dry feature, which lets you wake up to clean, dry clothes. However, some have faced issues with the machine's longevity and customer service. But despite these minor drawbacks, it remains a popular choice for those needing an efficient and space-saving solution. The COMFEE washer and dryer combo is perfect for those willing to invest in a high-quality, all-in-one appliance. It's a great option for small spaces where every inch counts. Lastly, we have the ROVSUN compact twin tub portable washing machine priced at $178. This machine offers a large 26-pound capacity split between an 18-pound washer and an 8-pound spinner. The built-in drain pump and separate timers for washing and spinning add to its convenience. It's designed for easy operation with simple controls that anyone can use. The powerful motor ensures efficient cleaning and spinning. Users have praised its performance and quiet operation, noting that it fits well in small apartments and doesn't make much noise. However, some have found the spinner's capacity to be limiting, as it can only handle half of the washer's load at a time. Despite this, it's highly recommended for its cleaning power and ease of use. The ROVSUN machine is perfect for those who need a versatile and portable washer that can handle larger loads. It's a great investment for anyone looking to do laundry at home without the need for full-size washer or dryer. So, in summary, these top 5 washing machine dryers offer unique features and benefits catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize compact size, capacity, or advanced features, there's a model here that can make your laundry tasks easier and more efficient. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.